Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I set up a new system on my diesel heater. It was getting too dirty too quickly, so this is what I got at the pet shop. This little valve here mixes the diesel with the used oil. I love it. To adjust the ratio, all you do is adjust the height. See, I've got the level about the same right now, so it seems to be 50-50, I guess. I'll know in a couple hours for sure. I'm gonna let it run for a bit here. I'll bring the video back and we'll see what's going on. I'm running it at frequency a little bit lower than stock. 5.2 is stock. I have 4.9. I find it's got a lot less smoke when you're burning the used oil. And besides that, I've just been cleaning this guy using, you need a tool like this. You gotta bend it kind of to the side. You need to clean inside the heating element for this. Yeah, this looks cool though. When I was in here in the morning, we were at 6 Celsius. I wish this had Fahrenheit too. I know most of my viewers don't even know what this is. It's probably 70 Fahrenheit right now. You know, 0 is what, 35 Fahrenheit or something? I forget. Well, I'll be back in a little bit and I'll let you know what the ratio is. I guess it's gonna be like 70% diesel, 30% just because of the surface area on top. But I think that it's sucking a little bit more diesel because it's a straight line, but we'll see. If they fall at the same rate, I know it's taking more diesel. I might have this set up the right way. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so it's probably been about a half hour now. I put a little dot where the level was when I turned off the video, and I think the used oil is just a little thick. And I also changed the way this is routed. So there, it's mixing, but it seems like the used oil is not dropping anywhere near as fast as the diesel just because it's thinner. So you need a way to do flow control. Let's see, I can just use this thing. Okay, let's see, it's hanging on there. What do we got? It looks a little darker. A bit more. Got a bubble going now. A little tighter. Okay. I think I'm just missing the frickin' thing. Anyways, I'll just pinch it with my fingers. And look at this. It goes black. Okay, well, eventually I'll get a flow controller here from the pet store. I should have got one already. They're cheap. And you can select exactly how much oil you're burning. Alright, getting ready to turn it off. I'm just gonna run it on diesel for a couple minutes. See if I can burn off some of that crap inside, because it took me a long time to clean it last time, and it was only after using it for 4 days. But This mixture should help a lot. I can hear it spitting some stuff out. I don't really see any smoke though. You can smell used oil for sure though, so that's a good sign. I just try to run this thing on diesel for a few minutes before I shut it off. Here we go. Yeah, and then when I start it up, it's been running, the fans wind down, and then I open the used oil. Seems to be a lot better that way. Thanks for watching today's video. We got the garage an extra 10 Celsius here. The high for today outside is 9. Maybe we'll hit that in about 4 or 5 hours. Eventually I'm gonna be making this into a portable unit so I can just like plop it down here and maybe take it camping, hook it up to the tent. That would be nice, having heat. I'm not gonna run it on used oil when I'm camping though. This is it's got to run on minimum, and I haven't had good luck running used oil on anything but maximum or slightly lower. But yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you later, I guess.